In this episode, we will see how to reset the Quake Slick configuration if we have the need to go to the factory situation of the parameters. So let's assume that the device is up and running. I mean that it is regularly connected to a Wi-Fi network and download the data and present it on the display. So now we want to reset brand new to the factory situation. So we invoke, just tapping down here, we invoke the system menu, and in the system menu there is a specific button, the reset configuration button here in the top center. So we press it and it's done. The configuration reset is done. So due to this, he cannot connect anymore to the Wi-Fi network because the credentials are different from the network that is present here. We can see this information is the first LED is the connection status LED, and it shows red with the number 1. It means that there are troubles with the Wi-Fi connection. So we can check it out. We can see that the new parameters have been set. So we reboot, pushing the button in the rear part. We reboot the system. We wait for the system to reboot. We press to enter again the system menu, and we check the parameters that have been set automatically. So we enter in the setting of the parameters menu. So as you can see, the new name of the Wi-Fi network has been set. Now it tried to connect to the demo network. This is the default password. He is trying to connect to, that will be used, but by the moment there is no network like this. It's a simple standard password that we have to change now. The home latitude is this one, but as we know, we will change to the real one, to the actual one where we are. The same for the longitude. The cycle pause has been set to 15 minutes by default. The alarm distance has been set to 200 kilometers by default. The alarm magnitude has been set to 4.00 by default. So that's all. We saw how to factory reset the parameters and how to enter in the system menu to set them properly to our needs.